The Pillar of Light meditation, a very powerful way to align with your truest desires of your heart and to experience being in the moment as if your desires are already fulfilled. Remember, you are no longer wishing for it, no longer hoping for it, no longer begging for it, no longer even asking for it. You are there experiencing that desire coming true, and you are living as if it's happening. So, select a comfortable space to do this quick exercise. It could be you could be sitting on your bed or on a couch or on a chair, doesn't matter. Be in a private space where you would not be disturbed. And if you have young children, pets, elders to care, make sure that they are well taken care of, because you're going to do this activity with an open mind, with free flowing thoughts. Start breathing in and breathing out. It's very important to breathe because breathing is what changes your physiology. And once your physiology changes, you can manifest anything and everything you want. Start deep breathing. Make sure you are completely connecting to your body, every inch, every bit of your body. And now, after taking a few deep breaths, I want you to connect to your heart center. And at your heart center, I want you to completely feel every inch of what you're feeling. If you're feeling any resentment, any anger, any fear, any lower vibrations, it's time to release that. You can simply say, I now release all that I do not need. I shift my vibration to a higher one by releasing all that doesn't serve me. And by saying this, you're going to inhale, long deep inhale, long deep exhale. And once you do that, imagine all the unwanted energy flowing out of your body. Allow that to simply leave you. Next, I would want you to forgive anyone and everyone whom you feel is hurting you. Any fear, any anger, any resentment against anyone else in your life. Be ready to forgive them. Unless we forgive, we can't move ahead on our manifestation journey. Forgive others who have caused any problem to you. Next, I want you to forgive yourself for all the mistakes you've done or you feel. In truth, there are no mistakes. You're always perfect. You have never done a mistake. And there is nothing called as perfectionism. So, all the mistakes you did were not mistakes. They were just lessons. They were just milestones in your journey. So, forgive yourself. Finally, lastly, I want you to forgive God or forgive universe. If you ever believe that God has been unjust to you, or the universe is not working with you, or anytime you feel you are, whatever you do, it's not working out because the universe is against you. Because this keeps you stuck in the victim zone, in the victim mentality, and I want you to release that. So with the next deep breath, inhale and exhale loudly. Release all of it, all the forgiveness. I want you now to start imagine yourself walking in a beautiful place where you're just surrounded by light. There is so much light that you never seen in your life, and you're slowly, gradually walking into that light. Your body is feeling lighter, your energy is expanding. And in that beautiful light, you have stepped up to activate receiving or manifesting all your desires. That dream job or dream careers of yours, it's right there in that pillar of light. Your dream relationship, the way you want it to be with you and your partner. It's exactly there. If you are single, you have manifested that partner who is giving you that connection, that support, that love. Your dream health is there. You have the fit body, fit mind, fit soul. You are at peace. There is joy everywhere. At all points, there is just joy. It's blooming like a lotus. All your other relationships, your family, your work relationships, all your friends and social relationships, it's thriving. Financial abundance is everywhere. You are living your dream life. All that what you want from life, it's all there. And yes, you do deserve it. And at this moment, I want you to feel, see, visualize, hear everything that makes you aware that you, my friend, you have actually manifested that desire of yours and you're living it. Step into that desire, step into that energy. Be that energy, and you can simply say, I claim my manifestation. I claim my manifestation. I claim my joy. I claim my success. I claim my happiness. You could also use the word choose. You can say, I choose to be healthy. I choose to be happy. I choose to be fit. I choose to be balanced. I choose to be joyful. I choose to receive everything with a lot of ease. I am light. I am love. I am the universe. God loves me. The universe loves me. I am ever supported by the energy of the universe. Just feel it. You are right there. In fact, whatever you thought you would manifest, you have even surpassed that, and you ended up becoming much bigger, much better than what you always wanted to be. And just breathe in and breathe out. And claim those desires. Claim the manifestation. It's safe for you to receive all of that. And no matter what's happening, you are always there. That is your pillar of light, and that is your manifestation. Just be there. Just receive it. Claim it. And now I want you to feel all of it in every inch of your body. You might feel tingling sensation. You might feel butterflies. You might feel overwhelm. You might feel sense of joy. Doesn't matter what you feel. The truth is, you are worthy of it. You deserve it. And you, my friend, yes, you have manifested all of that. Everything you thought was impossible, it's there. It's right here. It's right here with you. And I now want you to take a deep breath and claim all of that. Again and again claim it. Your dream house, it's yours. Your dream car, it's yours. The dream vacation, the reward and awards, what you always wanted, it's all yours. It's all yours. And now we are going to use the word activate to activate this desire. So whenever we feel lost, whenever we feel that things are not going good with us, all we have to do is get back in this pillar of light, because in the pillar of light lie all your desires, your manifestations. And I'm going to say activate 3 times, and as I say activate 3 times, you're going to activate the manifestation for you. Activate, activate, activate. It's done. It's already done. You already manifested. It's already yours. And now I want you to just breathe in, breathe out once again, and seal this manifestation by putting it in your body. Imagine your body is like a vessel, and you're actually putting the energy of this desire into your body. So put your hands in front of you, grab it, put it in your body, allow it to go down from your heart, down to your stomach, to your feet, to your legs, and down into earth. And you have anchored this desire now. You are anchored this manifestation now. And anytime when you wish to just do this, just do it. Never forget that you are always in the pillar of light, and your pillar of light is just a thought away. Thank you very much for this meditation. And if you like this meditation, feel free to share it with anyone and everyone. This is your coach, Ashwini Chube, and I'm more than happy to connect to you with this meditation. For more on me and my work, log on to www.unicorninsight.com. I thank you, I love you.